How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon, April 18th sales update. So another, what I would consider very, very slow day. So five sales in the US, and that was actually the total across the board. Now this has kind of been the case pretty much this whole week. So, right after last Wednesday, as you can see, the sales went down to 9 and then just simply dropped to 4, and it's been around 4 and 5 for the last 4 days. Definitely not impressed with that, and as you can see here, I got busy right away because I don't like the results and I don't like where this is headed. And I was thinking about these daily videos, and it's not fun to do them when you're getting these kinds of sales. And I understand also, people always want to see like awesome sales, but I think it's important to kind of push through because I don't expect these results to continue. But it's important to just show that, they're there. I talk to people and I see comments and everything, and a lot of people are going through similar things, and I think it's fair to just put it out there and say, hey, listen, this is where I am, this is what's happening. Now, looking at the month, so this is across all the marketplaces. I'm a 155. So 18 days in, 155. Now it's starting to kind of sound, a little better, but it's definitely not where I want to be. And I've been pulling up this chart in all my videos, and it still stands out in a positive way. I mean, 18 days into the month, and in a couple of days I'll be cracking the 165, hopefully in the US, because these are US numbers, and if it does continue like this, even slow, we're still looking at a very decent month compared to all of 2020. But again, I really want to be real and fair when I say I don't want to see these numbers. Like, this is definitely not what I imagined and where I want to be, but that's where I am. So I have to kind of deal with that, and I have to look at and think about different things. Now, it's the 19th right now when I'm recording this, and I have 7 sales so far. So slowly, like, days are actually getting better. But again, just 5 in total, and then in addition to that, this is what I've been looking at today, and that's even more concerning, because in reality I've sold 2 products, even though I have 5 sales, 4 of one of the best sellers. So it's a really good day for this product, but then overall it's a really bad day for all the products. So anyways, that's kind of where I am right now, kind of hovering between a good month, a great improvement since the tier up, but then on the other side of that is a really bad week and a bad couple of days. So we'll see. Gotta keep working, and as you can see, that's what I'm doing. I've uploaded a number of products. I'm gonna keep cleaning them up, and this is something that I haven't done regularly in like I said, I think yesterday, probably 2 to 3 weeks. So anyways, just gotta put your head down and keep working, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I hope you guys are not having the week that I am, and I've actually received a bunch of comments from people basically saying, yep, I am definitely having a bad week. But that's not across the board, right? It doesn't really matter, but it's just the kind of confirms and basically tells you that what you're going through is definitely not unique to you. It's kind of across the board. But again, let's keep improving. Let's keep listing products, and we'll see where we end up. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.